Dear all, today I am going to talk about Profit Mars mobile trading app, how to use it. You can download the app from App Store or Play Store depending on the mobile handset you are using. Once you download the app, it will ask for the user ID and password which you must have received on your registered email ID from our customer care team. Here you have to enter the trading ID or the user ID and the password. Once you enter the trading ID and user ID and the password, this dashboard will appear. As you can see, you can track the market, your current holding valuation, today's PNL, limit used and available limit, orders, position, things like that from here only. Now we'll go to the menu option, which is there on the top. 3 bars are there, as you can see. You click on that, a menu will appear. This is the menu. Now we'll go to Market Watch. This is the Market Watch I had created for myself. Suppose you want to create a new Market Watch, you can do it by clicking on 3 dots on the right hand side, manage watch list. Let's give a name to the new watch list we want to create. Now you have to add a stock or a future or option as you like to complete the process. Let's add Reliance. As you can see, the new Market Watch is being created and the stock we wanted to add is being added to the Market Watch, and you can add many more by clicking on the plus button. Now if you want to buy Reliance, you click on buy. This page will appear. In product type, you select CNC if you want to buy it for delivery. You select MIS if you are doing it for intraday, or you can use cover order or bracket order. In order type, limit is for the option is for if you want to buy a stock at particular price, or market is for if you want to buy it at current market price. SL is for stop loss if you want to place stop loss for particular position. Same way you can sell it. Now we'll go to depth. As you can see, top 5 top seller in the stock. Info, few details about the stock. News, relevant news about Reliance is there. Now we'll go back. If you want to see the chart, you click on chart. This is a chart for Reliance. Now you'll go to place order. From here also you can directly buy or sell stocks by just searching the name of the stock you want to buy or sell, or the future or options you want to buy or sell. We just have to search and do it directly from here as we did from the Market Watch. Now we'll go to position. In today's position, it will show the stocks we have purchased today or sold today, and plus future and option we have sold or purchased today. In overall, it will show the future and option position we are carrying from the previous day. We'll go to trade book. As you can see, this is the completed trade. The trade happened today. Order book, it will show all open trades, trades which are completed, trades which got cancelled. So you can easily track all your orders from here. All your pending and complete orders can be tracked easily. Now we'll go to holding. This is the stock holding I have in my DP and margin account. As you can see, I can directly square off my stocks from here by clicking on square of NSE or square of BSE. I can also see today's PNL on my holding, and stock wise PNL also is also there. So, and one more interesting thing is I can see the buying price of the stock and the current market price of the stock. So for Reliance, for example, for APAR, for example, the current market price is 295 and the buy price is 519. So it helps a lot to take the decision. Now we'll go to limits. The opening balance is the available cash balance. Utilized amount is the fund I am utilizing. Collateral valuation is the valuation of my holding after the exchange haircut. Net cash available is nothing but after deducting the utilized amount from collateral value. Now we'll go to top market. From here you can track the gainers and losers, and there are a couple of more filters. For example, I want to check the highest volume or most traded contract for the day. I can do it from here. So as we can see, now we'll go to news. All relevant news regarding market is there. We'll go to pay in and payout. Click on pay in. Suppose you want to pay in money to use it for investment or intraday purpose. Click on segment. You have to click on exchange. You can select any exchange, as we have combined ledger, so any money from any exchange can be used for another exchange. For example, you do pay in NSE, you can trade in MCX also. The registered bank name and the account number will appear, and you just have to enter the amount. Click on submit. It will redirect you to the registered bank's net banking page. There you have to use your net banking's user ID and password, and mostly it will ask for the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, submit there, it will redirect you to the mobile trading app, and you can start using that money you have paid in for trading purpose or investment purpose. Now we'll go and see how payout works. You just have to enter the amount, and if you want payout from particular exchange, you can select the exchange also and submit. Now we'll go back to the dashboard. So from dashboard also you can go to holding directly by clicking on the pie chart, or you can go to positions. Just click on position, or you can see the orders. You don't have to go to menu. From there you don't have to go, you can directly go from here. Thank you. Happy trading. I think this video will be very helpful.